Ever wonder how your phone is basically a tiny city of electronics? That's an IC, an integrated circuit. Think of it as a whole neighborhood: transistors, resistors, capacitors, all living on a single sliver of silicon. Instead of wiring hundreds of parts by hand, everything's printed at microscopic scale, so it's faster, smaller, and way more reliable. Function first, ICs do jobs. Simple ones amplify a signal. More complex ones crunch data like a processor. Some remember stuff. Hello RAM and ROM. Under the hood? Components. Thousands, millions, even billions of transistors. Little on-off switches that form logic and memory. Resistors tame currents. Capacitors store tiny bursts of charge. How do they fit all that in? Photolithography. Imagine shining patterns of circuit blueprints onto a silicon wafer, then etching and layering metals and materials to draw insanely fine wires, thousands of times thinner than a hair. That's how we get high density without spaghetti wiring. Why it matters? Compared to old-school discrete parts, ICs are smaller SiP, less power, run faster, and break less. That's why your laptop doesn't need a backpack-sized battery. Types? 3 big buckets. Analog, smooth, real-world signals. Think audio amps and sensor front ends. Digital ones and zeros. CPUs, GPUs, RAM, ROM, logic gates. Mixed signal, the translators. ADCs and DACs that bridge analog mics and digital apps. Applications? Basically everything. Smartphones, computers, cars, game consoles, cameras, appliances. If it plugs in or charges, it runs on ICs. Quick demo in your head. Press play on music. A mic's analog signal hits an analog stage, gets digitized by a mixed signal chip, processed by a digital IC, stored in memory, then sent back through a DAC to your headphones. All in milliseconds. So yeah, ICs are the tiny powerhouses making modern life modern. Next time your device feels like magic, it's silicon doing the heavy lifting.